Day 11 of our 15 days, 15 reminders for voters during election. So our 11th reminder is, after casting your vote, please leave the polling place immediately. So after casting your vote, after inserting your ballot into the ACM and verifying if your vote matches with the ACM screen or dun sa ating resibo, no? If it matches and nalagyan na kayo ng indelible ink, please leave the polling place immediately. So bakit? Kasi under the Omnibus Election Code, it is an election offense to hang around, or yung sinasabi natin na nag-i-stay ka pa or nagtatambay ka ba dun sa polling place, no? Nag-o-observe ka, nakikichismis ka pa, tapos ka nang bumoto, no? So it undermines kasi yung security ng election. It undermines din yung secrecy ng voting. Kung nandun ka, kung allowed ang voters na kahit after sila bumoto, allowed silang magstay sa polling place, no? Mawawala yung secrecy ng pagboto, no? It is not advisable to stay in the polling place after voting. So please do not loiter or hang around inside the polling place after you cast your vote.